In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix the Steam error that says, please check your password and account name and try again. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, most of the time this issue happens because you're entering in the wrong account name. And Steam has three different identifiers: your profile name, your email, and your account name. The account name is what Steam actually needs. Let me show you how you can find the correct one. If you signed into Steam on the computer before, what you're going to want to do is just back out of Steam. From here, go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Go ahead and now select this PC and then select your local drive. From here, go into your program files x86 and find the Steam folder within here. It's going to be alphabetically ordered, so just find it on there. From here, open up config, and then you're going to want to find a config file. Now, mine is already a note file. Yours might not say that. It might be a VDF file, so just keep that in mind. Essentially, just go ahead and right click on that and hit open with, and then hit notepad just like so, and it's going to pull up a page that looks like this, where you're going to want to hit edit up in the top left, hit find, and then search for account just like so. Hit enter, scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see your Steam username right here. This is what you're going to want to paste in to your login section. So copy your account name, paste that in, and then enter in your password and sign in. If you still can't find your account name on the Steam login screen, simply hit help, I can't sign in. Select that you forgot your Steam account name or password, enter in your email address, and follow the link sent to your email. And that is it. If you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.